Hello friends, today we will study about some more fundamental commands. In last video, we have studied about some fundamental commands like LD, LDI and out. LD is basically used for NO, LDI is for NC and out for output. Okay, so in this video we have some more commands like AND, ANI or ORI, set and RST for reset. So basically AND command is used when you are using some NO element in series with another NO element. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, let's start using the fundamental commands. So starts a new project. Okay, so suppose I want a NO in series with an NO. Okay, so how will I make? This is LDX0 and I want X1 in series with X0. So what will be my command? AND AND space X1. Okay, so now it is in series with X0. Now I can take my output Y0. Okay, so whether you type in small letters or in capital, it doesn't matter. Okay, it looks big, that's why I keep it in uh, capitals. Okay, similarly, if I want to use X1 in series with X0, but X1 should be not an NO, it should be an NI. So what will I do? I will use the command ANI. AN for and I means inverse. Okay, so LDX0 and I want inverse means NC X1 in series with X0. So my command will ANI space X1. Okay, and now output Y1. Okay, similarly if I want to use OR command. Okay, so look how I will use OR command. LD OR sorry X0. Okay, now what I want that OR should be X1 should be in parallel with X0. So to put X1 in parallel with X0, its place should be here, not here. Okay, so if I put here or X1, so this is how it will be in parallel with this. Okay, but if I use here and I will put or X1, now guess what will happen? This X1 will be in parallel with this X1. Okay, yes, it will be a wrong. So keep in mind where you are using when you are using OR function, you should know, you should remember that the location you put this box or you will put the command in the location of the element. Okay, so or x1 here, now output y3 or y2. Okay, so if I want to put x1 in parallel with x0 and it should be a nc, then what will I do? OR inverse I x1 enter. Okay, so see how it works. That OUT y. Okay, now you understand how you are using an OR function or inverse function, AND function or AND inverse function in a PLC program. Okay, so by using these functions, you can skip or can you save your time because you do not have to move your mouse again and again. You can only type the program with the help of your keyboard. Okay, so now I will take over two more basic fundamental commands. Okay, start a new project, which are set and reset. Suppose I'm making a program LDX0 LT sorry LDIX1. Okay, out Y0. See how fast I am making the program. Okay, oh sorry, even I forgot I'm using this. Okay, yes. So when I will run the program, what will happen? Here is also a error. It should be ANI. Okay, yes. It is used to latch this output y0. To simulate this, I forgot to compile. Don't worry, when I make it online, it will compile itself. Okay, so it is compiled. Now run this program. What will happen? When I keep it set, it will be on. Even after removing the force from the x0, it will remains on until and unless I will use this x1 to stop it. Okay, so just stop the PLC, get out of your online. Now I want the same thing. Okay, so there is a command called set command where we can directly latch our output. Okay, so let's see how we will use it. So delete, uh, no need to delete, insert a row. Similarly, I want to same thing. I will do what LD x0, which is our input, to latch output y1. What will I do? I will keep set y1. So after this command, when I give a single pulse or a small time input from x0, my output will be latched. Okay. Sorry. Now let's compile it and see how it is working. There is some very okay. Don't worry. Let's start with a new project. Actually, it is make this program very messy. Not messy, but looks not good. Okay. So what I'm doing? I'm using LDX0 to latch an output y0. Okay, so go to simulation,